Hello guys, this is Keyapp platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. Before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel to get all the news about App Store optimization, keyword promotion, and of course to get some updates from our service. Also, if you like this particular episode, please leave your likes and comments. We really appreciate this, and this makes us to create even more video content for you. And today it is a new episode of frequently asked questions. So as usually, I have the list of questions from you. So let's discuss them. The first question I have is actually connected with Google Play and with app reputation, particularly with app reviews. So it sounds like how to remove negative reviews from the top of the list. So, as far as I understand, here we talk about featured reviews by Google. I entered Google Play in web version to show you, but on mobile devices, the situation is pretty the same. When user goes to app page, they see the particular reviews on the first places. And unfortunately, no one knows which algorithm Google uses to put these reviews to the top, as they do not reveal it and there is no official information. But anyway, we can make some assumption that first of all, it is important that the review is long and really consists the information directly connected with the application. Also, it is important for Google to see that the user which loved the particular review actually entered the application, spent time there, and provided a kind of in-app activity. And according to this, most probably Google put the reviews to the first places. Of course, one more important thing here, it may be that the user account is important, as for Google, it is needed to see that actually the account is not fake and it is used to download different applications from Google Play, as well as to leave the reviews and ratings for other apps or games on the store. So, as you may know, previously on Google Play, you could leave likes for the reviews. 1 year ago, they actually changed this and made an update which is similar to App Store, where you as user may actually find the review helpful or not. So previously, it was also possible to get the review to the top with the help of likes, but nowadays it is not possible. So one of the main methods to remove negative reviews from the top is actually ordering positive reviews. But pay attention, when you order positive reviews, try to write texts which are long and which consist of the detailed information about likes or dislikes about your application. In such a way, you will show Google that the review is real and actually it can be put on top here. Of course, the more positive reviews your app developer order, the more chances some of them will go here to the top and actually replace the negative ones you have. Let's go to the next question. It is actually connected with App Store and with keyword installs we provide for App Store to boost your app positions for keywords to the top of the search list. So the question is like, is it possible to use both keyword installs from your service and Apple search ads? So, if to be honest, this is the question which we are usually asked when you, as app developer, starts to promote your App Store application using keyword installs with the aim to increase the positions. Of course, it is important to understand if keyword installs won't influence the running of Apple search ads campaign. Basically, it may happen that you would promote your application both with keyword installs and Apple search ads using the same search request. And the answer for this question is yes, you can combine both Apple Search Ads campaigns and keyword installs at our service, and it won't influence the running of Apple Search Ads in any way. As when we look for the application on App Store, let's imagine that you set the campaign. I just took the random keyword, and you would like to promote your application, for example, for the keyword medicine reminder. And actually, at the same time, you have Apple Search Ads running for the same keyword. And of course, your application for this keyword is appearing in top one due to Apple search ads at the first ad place actually in the search list. And you're interested if this is okay to run keyword installs. Yes, as when you put any keyword here and start the keyword campaign at our service, we go to App Store, type the keyword in the search bar, and look for your application exactly in the search lists of ads. Do not paying attention to ads you have running. So if your application occupies top 20 for the keyword, and actually Apple search ads are running, and application occupies top one, like the first slot in the list, we will go to top 20 and download your application exactly from the search list. So actually no worries, you can combine both types of promotion at the same time, and actually even promote the application for the same keyword, both with keyword installs and with Apple search ads. The next question we have is about keyword promotion, and actually it sounds like how to keep top one after you achieved it with keyword installs. So basically it is important question because the keywords are quite different, and the process of keyword promotion for different keywords is different, as well as the results you may get. And it is also needed to remember that the way your application will stay on the particular rank also depends on application itself, like its app store optimization, its graphic, as well as app reputation, and of course this influences the amount of organic download the application may get for the keyword, and this already influences the way the application will stay in top one, for example. So here I have an example of the campaign with the help of which we actually managed to get top one for the keyword drawing apps free. As you may see, two campaigns were conducted, and as a result we reached top one in approximately 2 weeks. After this, we see that the rank is not so stable, and it changes within the time in top two, top three. So one day the position is top one, the second day the position is top two. As in the search list, there are also competitors who may use this same type of promotion, or who may update the application, update App Store optimization, for example. And in such a way, if you want to keep the position, it is needed to set the campaign even after you got top one. I decided to show this campaign for two reasons. First of all, here is great result in achieving top one. But secondly, there is a mistake when app developer do not set additional campaign to keep the rank. So how to do it? Actually, the first step we need to do is to evaluate for how many days it is will be okay to set the supporting campaign for the rank. So usually for Google Play, it is okay to set for 5-7 days, and then check how the keyword behaves and if there are any changes in the rank. What about the amount? If to talk about the daily volume to use to keep the position, we recommend to continue the campaign with approximately the same amount you have finished, at least for 3 4 days. And if you see that the rank doesn't change, it is stable, you can start to decrease this daily volume for 20 30%, like once in 2 3 days. And in such a way, you will help the application to stay in top one, because we understand that after the application achieved the particular rank, it is not for sure that at once the organic downloads from the search will appear. It is needed to understand that for Google, it is needed some time to update the rank on all the devices types for all the users, and so organic downloads from the search may not appear at once, and that's why it is recommended to set such keeping campaigns just to save the rank you achieve. What about Apple? As you remember, Apple algorithm is working faster and updates all the ranks faster. So you can get the particular rank faster and do not wait like 5 7 days like on Google for the ranks updates. You can just add the installs and observe the increase the next 1 2 days after all the installs were delivered. So when you work with Apple, you actually can use this strategy. When you add a particular amount of installs, you achieve the position, and then the next days you just follow if the position is stable. If you see that it is stable, you can not to continue installs. And if you see that actually the position is starting to decrease and there are some changes, you can react and add the same amount of installs you added to boost the keyword to the particular rank, and in such a way to follow the changes. Of course, for some keywords, both for Google Play and for App Store, it may be needed to add the installs to keep the position for long period of time. Usually, these are keywords of high popularity. Some competitive keywords like puzzle or drifting. We understand that for such requests, there are a lot of apps aiming to occupy top one. So if you achieved the particular rank with such a keyword, it is highly recommended to conduct at least one campaign to keep the position, and then it may be possible also use some more campaigns with the half of the daily volume you used, with 30% of the daily volume, just to make sure that the reached rank will be saved for your application. But of course, do not forget to work with the app itself. Try to update the App Store assets like icon, visuals all the time. If you see that they do not convert into the install, it is important for the user to see the qualitative app to download it. So even if you achieved top one with some high popular keywords, you may lose the position fast due to the issues with the application itself or with the app reputation, for example. So before you are aiming to occupy top ranks for some high traffic keywords, high popular keywords, make sure that the application is ready for this, because you may spend some funds for this, but after you may lose the position because there are other applications with better conversion rates, for example, or with higher overall app rating in the particular region. And the last question we have for today is how to get for which keywords my competitors are getting downloads. That is kind of interesting question, and unfortunately, there is no official data you may use to analyze this information. Quickly discuss this type of data for Google Play. So first of all, you can check this information only for your own application in Google Play Developer Console. So when you enter the application and go to conversion analysis, you can actually check for which keywords your application gets the highest number of downloads in the particular country. So this actually can help you, for example, in keyword promotion. Like if you see that the application is getting high volumes for the particular keyword and you understand that the position for this keyword is not top one, it is top 10, for example, you can use these keywords in keyword promotion campaigns to boost the ranks to top positions, and in such a way the amount of organic search traffic may even increase and become higher due to the fact that the application is occupying top one for now. But when we are talking about App Store, there is no way to check for which keywords your application is getting traffic, even in App Store Connect for your own application. So, what to do and how to get for which keywords your competitors are getting traffic. First of all, you need to conduct the competitor research. Let's imagine that you have drifting application, so you just put the main keyword, some of them, like drifting beams. Go to the store and actually analyzes all these apps. It is needed for you to understand for which keywords each of these applications is in top one or at least top three if it is a game. So you can go, for example, to Keyapp, use Smart Campaign, and check all the apps for the indexed keywords. In such a way, you will get which keywords occupy top ranks. So probably the applications are getting the search traffic exactly for these requests. Of course, one more method is to analyze the text, like to analyze which keywords are added to title, to short description, as these two fields are the most important and most probably the most traffic keywords will be added there for some competitor apps. And you can use different App Store optimization services which actually do the same, but they just show you the data, already analyzed data. So they analyze which applications occupy top ranks for the particular keywords and make an assumption that most probably this particular application gets the considerable part of traffic for top 5 keywords, for example, like drifting cars, drifting games, etc. But pay attention that all this data is just assumptions, because no official information from both stores not possible to get, unfortunately. So these were all the questions for today, but anyway, if you have some additional, you can contact our support team or your personal manager anytime, and we will be happy to assist and reveal all the secrets about App Store optimization and keyword promotion. Get top positions in the search with Keyapp.